Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car by owner. First, preparing your vehicle properly is crucial for a successful sale. Begin by giving your car a deep clean, both inside and out, to make it shine. Next, gather all important documents, such as the title, service history, and any warranty information. Finally, research the market to set a realistic and attractive asking price, perhaps within a range of $500 of similar listings. Once your car is ready, effective advertising is key to reaching potential buyers. Take clear, well-lit photos from at least 8 different angles, highlighting both the exterior and interior. Write a comprehensive description, including mileage, features, and any recent maintenance. Post your listing on several reputable online platforms and consider local classifieds to maximize visibility and attract serious inquiries from interested individuals. When buyers start contacting you, prompt and transparent communication is essential. Be ready to answer questions honestly and provide any requested information. For viewings and test drives, always choose a safe, public location and accompany the buyer. It is also wise to suggest they have a trusted mechanic perform a pre-purchase inspection, which builds trust and can prevent future disputes after the sale is complete. Finally, closing the deal requires careful attention to detail to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Negotiate the price fairly, but be firm on your bottom line. Use a standard bill of sale and complete all required state-specific transfer documents accurately. Crucially, confirm that you have received secure payment, such as a cashier's check or bank transfer, before transferring the title and handing over the keys to the new owner.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.